All right, what's good, everybody? Today I took a little L. I'm not gonna cap. I took one L, one break even. We're gonna check both of these out. I think they're pretty fat. Not gonna lie, I really love these trades. Both of them are good. So I think let's just hop into it, right? So bigger time frame. First thing I'm asking always is where's the drawn liquidity, because these past couple days and weeks I've really been just making sure I'm always concrete on my drawn liquidity, and that's simplifying the rest of the trading process so much and allowing me to really take good analysis and good trades, right? So coming in, right? We're looking at pretty much this, right? This looks pretty bearish to me. We just took the sell side level, but we now definitely look like we could go ahead and take this low, and then we'll see where we can go after that. Because in terms of the bigger time frame, don't forget we still have this SMT, which is super, super powerful in my opinion. Because look at just how big it is, right? And the fact that it's on all-time highs, looking really, really good for us, right? So on this lower time frame now, I'm trying to figure out where are we going to go, right? We could pull back into our new week open gap, then go lower, but I'm trying to figure out, which of the two is that. Okay, so with that in mind, right, what are we looking into on open, right? So going a little bit lower on our time frames, we're pretty much seeing this, right? We're seeing all of this right here without these SMTs. We're seeing back into equilibrium. We have this generated liquidity you might want to take. We have midnight open up here and new week open gap, which is our only bullish draws, our only ones. But other than that, we're back into equilibrium in this range. We're back into a bigger for value gap right here. And we're looking like, bro, I want to just see this sell off, right? Another thing to add conviction is these literal equal lows right here. Two literal equal lows right here. Looking so great to see us off, right? So on open, all I need to see here is some type of manipulation higher, whatever it wants to be, and then we can take a short to go target these and then leave runners for this drawdown here if we're confident in it, right? I would definitely be break even by that point though, because there is a 30-minute for value gap that looks pretty clean. If we wanted to respect this, play around, stop me out, then go lower, like I'm just wanting to protect myself from that just in case, right? So what we're looking at here is I want to see my first manipulation, and I want to get involved as soon as it's shown to me that the market's going to go, right? So like I had these two SMTs drawn out, right? Pretty much price in our first candle or two pumps all the way higher, right? So if you look at NQ at this time, we already had taken this high like very quickly, very fast, taking this high, right? Now we're looking to see, do we want to sell off or continue higher? I think we're going to sell off considering not only that SMT, right? We then play around a little bit. We place in an internal SMT. And then finally after that, we place in this SMT right here, bro. So we have like three SMTs literally everywhere, everything I'd ever want to see, period, in a trade. The only thing I don't like to see here is no inverse on this leg, but I think it's so clean, and I got such a nice displacement here. I was so happy taking this, bro. So after I see that all those SMTs line up, everything's perfect. Low resistance liquidity right here, straight into equal lows, straight into more lows down here. Literally perfect, bro. Hop in this with shorts. I market order somewhere around here while we're breaking through it. Really nice. And then, your boy just gets stopped out. So no problem, right? Because I'm still expecting this trade thesis to play. So because of this, I'm considering like, am I happy to take another entry? And if it's shown to me, I think I'm stupid not to, because I think the opportunity is just so good, right? So I'm waiting, get stop raid, play around. At around 9:50, we start to break through this. By 10 a.m., we're breaking through. I take a second entry here, and then I place my stop above this high. And the second this starts to go and take this low down here, I'm going to break even, right? So second that shit gets taken, I'm break even, and I'm just going to let it run. If we make bread, we make bread. If not, no problem. We end up just playing around down here, coming and stop me out, and then big dick candle to the upside. No problem, right? No real opportunities for us today, except maybe somewhere in this sell-off you can get any kind of cheeky entry down here. No problem with that. But, bro, honestly, I was expecting this big sell-off to happen on open, because I thought we've done everything that we needed to do, right? So I'm trying to figure out, like, is it my issue that this trade didn't play out? And honestly, this is such a specimen setup that I don't think it is my issue, right? So today I'm going to be looking through a lot of this stuff, journaling, really figuring out, why this didn't play. But overall, bro, I'm happy with this trade, right? That's one thing that as like I'm maturing as a trader, you have to understand and learn, like, dude, I'm completely fine with every single loss I take, and it's my choice to make it that way, right? It's my choice to be a good trader and be locked in and only take losses when I feel like I'm ready to take them, only because I'm confident at whatever the setup is, right? So, bro, that's our job as traders, bro. That's what I'm finding is working really well for me. Only taking the setups that I know it sounds funny, right? But only take the setups that you are confident losing on. And when you take the setups and then you lose, no problem, right? If you're fine losing the setup, because the setup just looks so good, that's a good setup to take. So trading these has been helping me a lot more. Today we came up with like a $600 loss. No problem, bro. But analysis has been cooking. We've been doing good. We're going to see how the future holds for us. Thought this trade was sweet. No problem with it. So hope you guys can learn some lessons. See the way I'm analyzing the charts. Get something from that. Just pull anything from that. Really nice. So that for the let you boys go. and peace out.